Good evening, Allentown. It is currently 11:10 p.m. here in the Lehigh Valley, and it is a very beautiful night. Unfortunately, it hasn't been beautiful for the country. The eruption of the Yellowstone volcano has caused extreme climate change to occur, and temperatures are far below what they should normally be. As of right now, the temperature in our studio is 45 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 25 degrees higher than what it should be. Let me tell you, folks, this is not normal for a December night in northeast Pennsylvania. Across the country, cities in the south have reported freezing temperatures, and cities in the Midwest have been completely destroyed by tornadoes. I'm just glad that. I don't recall the NWS office in Mount Holly sending out a test at 11 p.m. at night. This better not be one of them. Oh Christ, this better not be a prank. Attention all listeners, a national emergency has been declared. The following information may be vital to your safety. Listen carefully and do not turn off your device. Stand by for an activation of the emergency alert system for an emergency action notification.
Please stand by. The President of the United States, or his designated representative, will be speaking shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. A representative of the President will be speaking shortly.
The following message is transmitted at the request of myself, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and the United States government, effective as of 11:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is not a test. I say again, this is not a test. A global emergency is now in effect. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has detected an asteroid from the asteroid belt, which has been thrown out of orbit. This asteroid, named 1036 Ganymed, is just outside Jupiter and is likely going to collide with the Earth within the next 24 hours. This object has a diameter of roughly 20 miles, meaning that the asteroid will cause potential extinction level event if it impacts. Even if it does not impact, there will be likely be at least some implications for the planet. NASA is currently attempting to stop the asteroid from approaching the planet, causing an extinction level event. Everyone listening to this message is highly advised to seek an underground shelter. My fellow Americans, should this be our end, we will not go down without a fight. We are doing our best to stop this asteroid. That is all I have to say. Thank you, and God bless the United States of America.
National Information Center statement. The following message is an update to the emergency action notification issued 24 hours ago. The asteroid, 1036 Ganymed, has been confirmed to be on course with the Earth. NASA's attempt to stop the asteroid was unsuccessful, and the asteroid is now on a collision course with our planet. It is expected that 1036 Ganymed will impact the planet within the next 30 minutes. Once it impacts, tsunamis measuring more than 1,000 feet will form. Earthquakes with magnitudes of or higher will occur, and the sun will be blocked around the planet for 15 to 20 years. All species on Earth will be killed. At this time, you are urged to gather those who you have a strong connection with and prepare for the end. To repeat, NASA's attempt to stop the asteroid has failed, and it will impact our planet in the next 30 minutes. There is nothing more that we can do. Prepare for certain death.
Oh my god, I'm actually shaking right now. For those of you just tuning into WAEB, there's an asteroid headed directly for our planet, and it's huge. I've never seen anything like this in my life, and wait, there it is. It's Ganymed! Where is it headed?
I've been informed that it will likely impact somewhere around Antarctica and Greenland. We've got less than a minute.
Less than a minute? It should have impacted by now! How the hell could this even be possible?
No clue, but I suppose this really is the end. I just wanted to let you know that I had a fun time working with you.
What? So you're accepting that you're going to die?
Absolutely. The president was right. We most certainly didn't go down without a fight. Even though we tried, it just wasn't enough. Goodbye.
What's that sound? What the hell is going on? Wait, no! No! No!